Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the workbook and immediately selecting a cell inside the pivot table. This exposes the pivot table Analyze or Options ribbon. Once done, locate the source data range listed in the Data Connection or Change Data Source dialog so you know where the table pulls from. Make sure to save a backup or copy of the sheet. You'll need it if anything unexpected happens. Now you're ready to remove records without guessing which range to edit. You now remove the unwanted data. If rows are in the source table, delete them there. Alternatively, use a filter inside the pivot to isolate items and then remove at the source. Once rows are gone, use Change Data Source to adjust the range if needed, or uncheck fields in the field list to drop them. Then refresh the pivot table so it recalculates against the updated source. If the pivot still shows old items, clear the cache or use Refresh All to finish by clearing the pivot cache and finalizing the layout. You do this by right-clicking the pivot, choosing Pivot Table Options, and setting number of items to retain to none for each field, then hit Refresh. Make sure slicers or other connected reports are updated too, since they can reintroduce removed items. If stale items persist, rebuild the pivot from a fresh copy of the cleaned source, or use the Clear All command and recreate the pivot quickly. This resolves most stubborn cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.